All right, so I got the water pump going here, just using some of that RTV silicone, the black stuff. I put that on both sides of the gasket, and she's in there now. So this guy here was troublesome. That's the one where the mount on the back of the motor mount, so I had to actually use a drift punch kind of thing, various tools to get it wedged in between the engine mount and the block. So I got that all lined up next to install the power steering pump, but I'm going to clean this up with some of this great product. It's super clean, and I cleaned up the plastic. It was all gray, and I cleaned up the fan, and this made it look really good. Put it out in the sunlight, so it was actually gray, now it's black, so that's good. So I'm just going to clean up some more parts, and the torque spec for those bolts, I think it was 13 foot-pounds. It wasn't very much at all. So yeah, water pump is 13 pounds, and then I got to put the pulley on and all that kind of stuff, but it's coming along pretty good. Poor design, but I had to wait for parts today, so I'll clean to actually get this completed. Oh, and then I got a new inlet pipe, and I think I got it lined up pretty good where I can slide on the other hose, which is here, so I got to put that on. So looking good so far.